This 2022 Jayco Melbourne 24RP is a Class C RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 25 feet 2 inches in length and features sleep 6, leveling jacks, water heater, carbon monoxide detector, stovetop burner, skylight, TV, external shower, air conditioning, microwave, awning, and 35 gallons fresh water capacity. This 2022 Jayco Melbourne 24RP is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 3500 chassis and is powered by a Mercedes-Benz engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.